So hello guys, good morning. So we are here at the farm, riding my bike. So TCR Giant, and look at that. We ride already 4.9 kilometer from my house. So we stop over here to take a look the irrigation. So as you can see, it's a good irrigation, guys. So that is the plant. It's a grass plant, and beside of this farm, I think they planted the potato. So much wide. It's so very long, as you can see the line over there. So that was made by the tractor and planting. They're using machinery here in New Zealand to plant grass or potatoes. In the other side of the farm, as you can see, look at that. That is corn. It's a very wide farm of corn, and so very nice. And the other side of the farm is fodder. It's for the cow. And as you can see, it's very cloudy today, and it's nice to get a ride of bike. And that was my bike. It was resting. Nagpapahinga po siya yung bike ko. And look at that. Doon sa banda doon, mayroon tayo makikitang yun yung tinatawag nilang key line, sprinkler. Tubig po yan, nagpapatubig sa mga damo nila. So as you can see, the water in the irrigation, so nice, and napakalinaw po yung tubig. And that's all for today, guys. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and follow in my YouTube channel. Okay guys, bye bye.